5e. Square ABCD is composed of 36 squares of the same size, as shown. The area of ABCD is 180 square centimeters. What is the area in square centimeters of the shaded region? So, first I want to make one thing clear. This says that there are 36 squares. Yep, and I can see 36 squares right now. But somehow the area is different. Shouldn't it also be 36 or 180 squares in order to have 180 square centimeters? Well, that's because in this problem, not in all problems, but in this problem, one square is equal to 5 square centimeters. So before we answer the problem, we just need to kind of remember that this is the key right here, and just multiply what we have by 5. So it's going to be how much squares there are times 5. Now let's get to calculating this. So for this, it's either a whole square or just split in half. So if you think counting is good enough, and you work well with counting, I wouldn't say you shouldn't do it. But for me personally, I have another idea that I'd like to share with you. So first, what I would do is just have those 180 square centimeters, right? So this whole square ABCD. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the unshaded amount. And then I'll get the final answer of the shaded amount. So first, I'm just going to look at the white amounts. This is a square, right? And these are the angles, the corners, that if you just put it right here, it matches almost immediately. So after you put this all in here like that, you will see that it forms an exact 4 by 4 square. So really all you have to do is, so the white part right here, this is the white part, it's 4 by 4. So you just take the 16 white squares out of the total 100. So 16, right? But this is not yet done, because remember how there is this key right here? We found that there were 16 squares, but each square is 5 square centimeters. So, and this isn't a square centimeter form, so I still have to multiply this by 5, which in turn gives me 80. So 180 minus 80 is 100. So the answer is that the shaded region has an area of 100 square centimeters.